If you use Gmail, listen up. This could save your phone from getting hacked. There's a setting turned on by default for every Gmail user, and scammers are exploiting it right now to get into people's phones in seconds, your photos, banking apps, passwords, everything. Over 80% of scams use email links designed to look legit, like a fake delivery failed message. When you tap it, Gmail opens the link inside the app instead of a secure browser. And that's the problem. Gmail doesn't have the same protection, so a malicious page can install malware almost instantly, before you even know what happened. So, what's the fix? I have the fix. Firstly, open your Gmail app. Look at the top left corner of the screen and tap on the 3 horizontal lines right here. That's your menu. Scroll down until you see Settings and tap on it. Then tap on General Settings. Now scroll all the way to the bottom of that page, and right there itself you're going to find an option that says Open Web Links in Gmail. It is turned on by default, but the actual thing that you need to do is to turn it off right now. That single change means Gmail will no longer open any links inside the app. Instead, it'll push them to your browser, where you have actual and proper security protection running. One toggle, massive difference in your safety. But we're not done yet, because there's a second vulnerability hiding on your phone that works in a very similar way as well, and most people have absolutely no idea it exists. By default, Android is set up to open certain links inside apps rather than in your browser. So, even outside of Gmail, if you tap a link in a text message or another app, your phone might be sending you into an unprotected in-app environment instead of your secure browser. Here's how to fix that too. Go to your main phone settings. Find the section called All Apps and tap on it. Then, select Choose Default Apps. Scroll all the way down and you'll find an option called Opening Links. Here, you will find all your apps, that is, all the installed apps on your phone. And if you tap any one of them, you have the option to open web links in the app or in the browser. Make sure to tap on the apps like WhatsApp and other apps that you use regularly and choose the In Your Browser option. Now, whenever you tap on the links inside these apps, a dedicated tab would open up for the link that you are visiting on your web browser, increasing your protection to a lot more. 2 settings. That's it. 2 settings that takes under 2 minutes to change, and your phone is now significantly more protected than it was before you clicked on this video. Scammers are constantly evolving their tactics, and they are specifically banking on the fact that people don't know these default settings exist. The fact that you know now, this puts you miles ahead of most people. So, please don't put this off. Go make these changes right now while it's fresh in your mind. If this video helped you out, it would mean a lot to me if you hit that like button. It helps this content reach to more people just like you who genuinely needs to see this. And if you're not subscribed yet, go ahead and do that right now, and tap the bell so you never miss a new video that I just upload here.